everyone, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in. We are at Phoenix Airport at Budget. Just a quick reminder, go ahead and click on that subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. If you want to see more of these videos, give it a quick like. And let's see how Avis has things parked here. We've got a bunch of compact pickup trucks. And oh boy, it looks like most of the cars are at Avis, or they're kind of down in the stalls here. Got some of the more interesting cars over here. Yeah, a bunch of Chargers, Mustangs, old 5-liter Mustang over there. And then this looks like, oh boy, they got a ton of cars. Yeah, they're all just kind of like parked in reserve here. Just trying to think, maybe I'll pick an aisle or two and just go down. There's just far too many to do them all here. I'll probably put you guys to sleep if I did them all for about half an hour. Okay, let's just go down some of the aisles. Again, Avis and Budget share the same fleet, so anything you see in either of the videos, there's a Mustang over there. We've got a Prius Camry, Prius, a couple of Prius here. What are these VWs down here? Is that a Passat? Yep. Got a Mazda. Got some people picking up there. There's a Honda Accord. Just kind of go around those people over there. Ford Explorer. Got a Honda compact SUV here. Apologize for rushing, guys. I would cover more of the aisles, but I'm just trying to get everything on out here. Just giving you a little bit of each, but yeah, pretty much. If you're looking for a car, there's definitely a lot out here, a lot available. And there's another Charger coming up here. Oh, it's an RT Hemi. Oh, I don't know if we've seen one of those yet out here. Okay, we got 4Runner. Oh boy, a bunch of cars down there. A couple of minivans, and then here's the compact pickup trucks. A bunch of minivans. We got maybe some of there's another Genesis down there. A bunch of those in the Avis video if you want to take a look at that closer. Q5, Audi. And let me walk over to the front and I'll just kind of quickly show you that. Again, if you want to see more cars for Budget in the fleet, it's shared with Avis. You can kind of tune into any of the Avis videos as well. We'll give you an idea, any of the locations there. Okay, let's just go over to some of the upgrades over here. And got a Mustang. Oh, is that? Oh, that is a 5-liter on the end. Mustang GT. I don't see many of those out here. There's a 300. Regular Mustang Coupe, Hemi Charger, 2 of them, and EcoBoost Mustang, another Hemi Charger, a Lexus, another Lexus, GLC 300 probably at the end. Oh, somebody wanted to see inside one of these. Yeah, this is probably locked though. If not, I'll find one over at National back in Toronto. Oh no, it is open. So I'll do a quick peek in here. I don't see the mileage on that, but let's have a look for the room. Actually not bad. Has this got the sunroof in it? Nope. Okay, so that's a GLC 300 for it. And I think we'll wrap things up. We'll just kind of go down the end here. Yeah, we'll just wrap it up here. All right, thanks everybody for watching. Appreciate you tuning in and all the support. Again, feel free to leave any comments, questions below. And I'll see you guys in the next one.